of the worst weather in recent history is plaguing England and the continent. In the Netherlands, they don't forget the wildlife in the midst of food and fuel shortages. Planes drop feed to ducks and other birds as Hollanders hope the frozen canals will thaw and those vital lifelines be opened once more. In England, the Thames River is frozen over, an accurate barometer as to the severity of the weather. Some of the lowest temperatures of this century have been recorded, as fresh blizzards compound the difficulties of previous storms. Livestock has been hard hit, and to keep the animals adequately fed is an around-the-clock problem. Some of the lambs are born into a cold, cruel world, and teams of shepherds need to search wide areas for lambs tucked into protective snowdrifts by their mothers. In Belgium, it's the same story. The fourth week of Arctic weather has brought barge shipping to a standstill in all but immobilized harbors. The weather has taken a fantastic economic toll in Europe. Railroads have been as hard hit as shipping ports, and none but critical and vital goods have been given priority. Strangely enough, few deaths have been attributed to the weather.